be shy, I can't be wrong. If you feel it, then it's strong. Party time, sipping drinks as your shoulders rise and sink. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. Soon need sleep until your limbs go numb. Your knees feel weak. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. Soon need sleep until your limbs go numb. Your knees feel weak. Who needs the sleep now? Who needs the sleep now? The sound is loud, beat is on. People dancing to the song without fail. Who prevails as your body twists and fails. Don't be shy, I can't be wrong. If you feel it, then it's strong. Party time, sipping drinks as your shoulders rise and sink. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. Soon need sleep until your limbs go numb. Your knees feel weak. Dance to the rhythm now. Just move your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat. Dancing till the sun comes up. You soon need sleep, move until your limbs go numb and your knees feel weak.
What's up, guys? Here's another update on the Harley Quinn CT100u built. Everything's already installed: motor, chain, gas tank. So this gas tank, took it off from the RT100 and mounted it on this one because I couldn't run the stock one. There was an issue with it. And I ordered the clutch. I ordered the 3/4 35 chain, but they sent me the 5/8. So what I did is I had some old clutches and I took them apart and I switched up the shaft on it and everything, and just transferred all the new clutch on the other ones and the C clips and everything. So I made it work. So the other one's on its way, but I got this one installed right now. And then tomorrow I'm just gonna get some gas, fill it up, and then just to see the car's running good, make sure everything's tuned on it, and just test out the hydraulic brakes too. But yeah, I moved it a little more to the front because it was only grabbing on the edge. I was able to adjust it. Just came out with a little bracket. I just used the grinder on the edges, smooth it out, make it thinner. But it's already done. And then the only thing I need to do is just get a spring for the kickstand. I lost it, so I gotta trying to replace it and put another one. But the owner of the bike, she was really happy and satisfied with the paint job and everything. So I'm just glad she really liked it, and hopefully she enjoys it. So it's gonna go out of states, and hopefully she puts miles in it like we do. But let me know what you guys think about this build. Alright guys, another update on the RT100. Chopped out the gas tank, installed this big boy. This is a 2-gallon. And then the only thing I'm waiting now is the carb. I'm upgrading to another carb. I'm gonna go flat side on it. So right now I got this 24 millimeter with a manifold, with a bin. But I'm gonna upgrade it to a 26 flat side. So I'm just waiting for that. Should be here by next week. And then trying to finish all the fabrication on it, and then it's gonna get stripped down and get it painted. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upgrade to shocks. I might just rock these. I was thinking about also cutting these and extending them, make them super high 8-handers. I might probably do that too. But if I do, I'll keep you guys updated on it. But yeah, I took off the old one, swapped it on this CT100. This is for a customer. I couldn't run the stock one, so I put this one on. But yeah guys, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys on the next one.